You guys, Chakator knocked it out of the park with kits for the spring summer collection. The first one I'm going to show you is the ChalkMade Carrot Patch Kit. This is amazing. You are going to get everything in the kit that you need to make this adorable box filled with fabric carrots. You get the box. You get the twine to tie around the carrots. You get the greenery coming out of the top of the carrots. You get the fabric to make the carrots, and you get the two different patterns to chalk on the fabric carrots, and then you get two chalk paste singles of the orange, and you get one of the black. So here, let's get started. So what I did was I started kneading this chalk paste and then kind of pushed it down to the bottom of the packet. Then I'm just going to squeeze out a small amount because a little bit of chalk goes a long way. And if you leave it in the packet, then you can reuse it later if you have any left over. So I've smoothed down my reusable transfer over top of one of the front of this box, and I'm using black for the words. And then when I get to the carrots, I am going to use the orange peel color. I could have used black for the whole thing, but I thought it would be cute to do. Add just a little bit of a pop of color on the front of this cute little box. And this box comes already assembled for you. You don't have to glue it together or anything like that. It's already whitewashed in white. You can see the wood grain through it. It's really, really well done. Hats off to Chakator for this one. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the carrots. I could have pulled out some green that I had for the tops of the carrots, but it's okay. My carrots are going to be all orange on the front of this box, and it looks adorable. So I'll put that aside and let that dry and then get started on the rest of the elements on this cute box full of carrots. So I'm cutting out these cute little signs, and they go on the little round this that you'll see later, just little wooden round pieces of wood. So I have 5 triangles of the fabric, and then I have 2 designs. So I have decided to use the all over floral pattern on 3 of the carrot pieces. My advice on this is to start in the middle with the squeegee and then go out to the edges. It just makes it a little easier to do. Now, you may be thinking, well, why aren't you using ink? You could use ink on these, but it comes with a chalk paste because we figure you're not going to put these in the washer. They're not going to get handled a lot. So the chalk on fabric is fine for things that you're not going to wash. Then I am going to do the last 2. I'm going to cover the last 2 triangles, the carrot pieces, with the little mini buffalo plaid. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh, wait till you see this. You can make more because these transfers are reusable. You could lay this down on any fabric that you have and then cut out the shape and make more carrots. You could fill your box up. Now you will have to get more greenery and twine, but if you're anything like me, you've got stashes of that kind of stuff around anyway. And I saw grass like that at Dollar Tree. And I bought 3 bundles of them. So keep that in mind. If you you might as well use these transfers. They can be used 8 to 12 times. So make a lot more. And if you get your hands on a box anywhere in one of the dollar stores or whatever, you can make more and give them away to family and friends or even sell them. Now I am making the little tags. They're just these cute little wooden tags, and one of them says 5 cents. And I did it upside down, so I had to turn it over and do the other side. And then The other one I used our hole punch to make the hole bigger. The one for bunny bait, because the twine is pretty thick, so I wanted the hole to be bigger. So I don't think you can see it on here, but I made the hole even bigger in that wooden tag. There we go. There's my 2 tags. And I'm going to dry everything, make sure everything's good and dry before I start to assemble my carrots. The fun part, right? Oh, I got to fix this 5-cent piece because I have it upside down with a hole at the bottom. It figures. Now I'm going to let them dry and start drying my carrots. Make sure that these fabric triangles are good and dry. Now, we do give you these strips of adhesive. Now, here is my tips on these. Make sure see how I'm pushing down that adhesive onto the fabric? Really, really push and make sure that that is so well adhered. And then when you peel off the backing, you'll have much better luck. Now, here's my other tip. Fold that over, but leave a margin on the other end so that you can fold it up over top. I kind of did it backwards here, and it was easier the other way. And I'll show that. If you just fold it over, leave a margin, and then fold up that margin, and it'll just be a lot easier. So now I'm just taking pieces of the fiberfill that's provided. You get this in the kit. It's like we thought of everything. So you just stuff this a little bit at a time. I used one of the multi-tools to push that fiberfill down into the bottom of the carrot, and then you just cinch it all together, give it a twist. You can either wrap a rubber band around the top, or you can just go ahead and, I did find a rubber band, but I found that it's not even really necessary. Rubber bands aren't included. And then open up that opening a little bit to make room for your greenery at the top. And I added a little bit of hot glue to mine. I think if I had inserted the green top before I cinched it all together, it would stay in there just fine. In fact, the last couple I did that way. Now I'm stringing on my little tag onto this carrot. This says bunny bait. How cute. These are adorable. This is probably, I don't know, I can't pick a favorite, you guys, but this is a good one. It's just so cute. And I forgot to bring up to my studio the grass for in there, but you'll see the pictures at the end where I did find the grass to put in the box. And you know what, you could also put fabric of some sort down in there too. It doesn't have to be the Easter grass, or I don't know what that crinkled up paper is called. You could do that also. So many ways that you could do this. You know what? I just thought of this too. You could actually paint that box and do different colors. If you have other colors of chalk paste, you're not, nobody says that the carrot patch has to be in black. You can do it whatever colors you want to. Nobody, you don't have to keep your box white. But when you do yours, I would love to see the pictures of your interpretation. It is so cute. I just love it. So I'm going to take this downstairs and stage it with some ceramic bunnies that I have too. I just can't wait to decorate for Easter. I'm so excited because I just love, Easter is probably one of my favorite holidays because it represents, spring to me and new. And there it is.